New Year, ultimately, fans, and welcome to the iconic Estadio San Mamés in the heart of the Basque Country, where Week 10's anticipated primetime clash gets 2026 up and running in style. Athletic Bilbao, Arsenal, under the lights. Let's go. So Bilbao reached the quarterfinals last season and are once again knocking on the door of the playoff places with 3 wins from their last 5. Leading the charges, Oyhan Sanset, the central attacking midfielder, in the form of his life. 10 goals already this season, including a massive winner in Leipzig last week. Add Gykö 8 goals to the mix, and slinging those early season inconsistencies feel like a distant memory. Victory tonight will see Athletic jump 6 places all the way up to 12th. Standing their way is an Arsenal side that looks stronger with every passing year. Back-to-back first-round exits simply won't cut it for Mikel Arteta's men, and thanks to results elsewhere, they've been handed a golden opportunity. A win of any kind tonight would launch the Gunners up to 3rd place, just 3 points shy of reigning champions Liverpool. Last week summed their belief perfectly. 2 goals down, Gykö steps up with 4 of his own, taking him to 9 goals in 9 games. Let's have very 6 with an unchanged side following last month's thrilling 3-2 win over RB Leipzig. Gykö captains Athletic tonight, while Nico Williams sits just 1 assist away from joint best in the league. His brother Iñaki starts on the bench. As for Arsenal, Mikel Arteta also keeps faith with the same 11. Victory as a stand-up display last week means club captain Martin Odegaard remains among the substitutes, while Martin Zubimendi comes to midfield at the expense of Mikel Merino. Play Bilbao in the famous red and white, Arsenal in Old Navy. Game on. Here's Gykö. As they now on the wing. Towards his big Swede. And it goes to Declan Rice. 1-2. Brilliant! What a start in Bilbao for Arsenal. And it's that man again, Victor Gykö. 10 goals now in 10 games. He is lighting up the league as of late. What a finish that is. Quick, decisive, passes opposite number, past the goalkeeper, Unai Simon. Luis de Galarreta, towards Oreso, and it falls away on Sunset. Great save by Darren Raya. Spain are back in home territory. And that draws a wonderful save to deny Aaron Sunset his 11th goal of the season. Corner coming up. Gykö delivers. Sunset's on it! Salmon straight in the keeper's hands again. He decided that could have been dangerous. Has to hastily get it away towards club captain Carl Saka. Well, captain for tonight. For the past few weeks. Gykö, lovely ball. Nico Williams, great stop again. David Raya once again to Arsenal's rescue. That's even better than his first save. There's a Timber and Saka working really well down Arsenal's right hand side towards Declan Rice. Zubimendi looking with Leandro Trossard. The Belgian plays it towards Eze. Back towards Gykö. Another powerful strike. Sees a great stop by Unai Simon. Too hard to handle, but it's out of the net. Here's Gykö. Nico Williams towards Gykö, and Sanset taking charge. Ruiz to Galarreta, the 1-2's work perfectly. What a response that is! And what a way to respond. Alex Berger puts us back on level pegging. Look at this, 1, 2, 3. What was your uncle? 1-1. He swapped wings, but he hasn't swapped any football ability with anyone. Great finish. Ryan, no chance. Mendy, Rice, Eze, lovely, Gykö's, great stop. It needed the fingertips of Unai Simon, but the Spaniard does really well to keep out that creeping shot from Gykö's and keep the scores level. But might be a ruse, here we go. Gykö's on the top for Trossard. What a touch that is, what a goal that is! That is pure class! As tight as you can get from the Belgian. And Arsenal reclaim the lead in some style. And that's so turned into an absolute pancake. And what about this on the half volley? Unai Simon, no chance again. Towards Gykö, and they're working this well into our second. Williams has gone very narrow. Let's take off for Gykö. Oh, Fury having a tough time, but he will block the shot. It falls to for first Nico Williams and then around Sunset, and still David Raya keeps it out. Another chance gone begging. It could get even worse. Gykö's over the top for Saka, will take it down. Towards Trossard, bit of space there. Declan Rice! Oh, the Rice is cooking alright. It's a 2-goal advantage. And a real kick in the teeth for Athletic Bilbao, who do not deserve to be 3-1 down. But that is the way the cookie is crumbling tonight. Just completely open up, Declan Rice completely unmarked, and he lashes it past Unai Simon for his 3rd goal of the season. It's a belter. Arsenal are having a knack for that. Here is Iñaki Williams joining his brother on the pitch at striker. And for Rosetta lays it off to his brother Nico Williams, who you feel has got to be doing better with that finish. He goes for outside the boot, and it's an easy start with the right glove there for David Raya. Sunset. That's Gabriel. Almost getting penalised again, and Iñaki Williams draws another good save from David Raya. They are knocking on the door, Bilbao. Arsenal slamming it shut the best way they can. Gykö's towards Eze, into Saka, and he was onside this time, but Simon will deny him. Capie. Declan Rice, lovely ball through towards Trossard. That's the first big opportunity we've had in a while. Another terrific save from Unai Simon.